fix Windows Settings app crashing constantly. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Restart the PC. Resetting your computer can be a surprisingly effective solution for temporary bugs or corruption issues that may be causing errors. That's why we suggest beginning your troubleshooting process with a Windows restart. First, terminate all active processes on your system, then restart the computer. Once it reboots, check to see if the Settings app is functioning properly. Solution 2. Install Windows updates. Solution 3. Restart Windows Explorer. Solution 4. Repair or reset Windows Settings app. Solution 5. Re-register the Settings app. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.